Hi guys, my name is Matt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to order from ridemakers.com. So those of you who are new to Ridemakers, our company is a store and concept where you can build and customize your very own car. We have several locations throughout the US, or we have our online store, which is ridemakers.com. So here we are at our ridemakers.com homepage, and up on the top here you can see we have links to shop now. You can read about our company concept. You can view what our in-shop experience looks like with pictures, and there's videos you can watch. And then over here is more where you can view our locations, you can contact us or inquire about shipping. So for this video, we're gonna shop now, and we're gonna go through how to build a ride. So when you go to shop now, you come to this page where you could build your ride, or at the bottom, if you already have a ride, there's links to just order parts for your current ride. We'll do that in a later video. For now, we're going to build a new ride. So we're going to go to the Shop Now button here. So when you hit the Shop Now button to build a ride, you come to this screen where it has all the categories over here on the left, and it shows all of our different ride bodies to select from. All of our ride bodies have 4 different versions. There's a street version, which you can see in the pictures here. There's also a monster version of our rides where you can make any of them monster trucks. And then all of them have either a freewheel version, which is a car that you would push or set up on a shelf. They have working lights and sounds. Or there's a remote control version where you can make any of them remote control that come with a controller so you can drive them. So for this video, I'm going to order a remote control street car. So over in the categories over here on the left, I have the RC Street Ride Kit selected, and it shows all the different cool rides that we have to offer. A lot of really cool looking ones. I really like this Hemi Dodge Challenger right here, so I'm going to order this one. So when you select on that, it shows you a few different pictures. It shows you a front view, shows you a back view, and then just shows you a picture of what's all included with this car. So this is a remote control chassis that has a motor built into it. This is a controller that it comes with. And then it has a set of stock rims and a set of stock tires. You can also view what all is included with each kit right over here in the descriptions as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my cart. And when you do that, populates your cart over on the right-hand side over here. You can see the price. You can check out if you like it like that, or you can continue customizing it with different parts or add batteries or whatnot. So I'm going to continue customizing this car. So to continue to customize this ride here, I'm going to go ahead and select this to go back to this page where it has all the different categories. And under all your ride kits are all the different things that you can add to your ride. So I'm going to start with some premium rims. I want to add some cool looking rims to this car. So when you select that, it shows, it first just takes you to all of our rim options. And then there's 3 different categories under that. There's rims for rides with monster tires, rims for rides with small front tires, and rims for rides with large front tires. Our cars have 2 different sizes. There's a shorter wheelbase chassis or car that has the small front tires with the street ride. And then there's a longer wheelbase car that has a large front tire for the street ride. So the Challenger is actually one that has the small front tire. So I'm going to select that. And these are all the options that we have to pick from here. So I'm going to look through. Oh, I like these orange ones. These are going to look good with that paint job. So I'm going to select that. And just to ensure that you are ordering the correct parts for your car, you always want to pay close attention to the description down here. So right here it says ride bodies with small front rims and tires, and these are the ones that it will fit. Being that I'm ordering the Dodge Challenger, these ones are going to fit my car. This is a set of front and rear for $10, so I'm going to add that to the cart. Okay, so we have our premium rims added to the cart, as you can see over on the right hand side here. So I'm going to continue shopping to add some more stuff to this car. So I'm going to go back to the main page with the different categories, and this time I'm going to go to the premium tires. So just like the rims, it has the 3 categories for monster, small front, and large front. We know the Challenger is a small front tire, so I'm going to select that. And these are the different tire options, premium tire options you can add. So I'm going to go with the orange to match the rims and the paint job. So select on that, and you can see the picture. You can actually even zoom in to see the detail of the tire and everything like that. So yeah, these look cool. Again, check the description down at the bottom. Fits the Dodge Challenger, looks good, and this is a set of front and rear. So I'm going to go ahead and add those to my cart now as well. Okay, so now we have our premium tires added to the cart. So I'm going to go back to continue shopping, and I'm going to go look for some accessories to put on this car. So again, we're going to go back to the main categories page here, and we're going to click on accessories. So the accessories are all in different categories here. You can search by the placement of where it goes on the car. You can also search by different colors for the car. So I'm going to start by looking for some hood accessories for this car. So I'm going to select hood accessories, and here we have different options. We have the Hemi engine, we have different kinds of hood scoops you can put on there. I'm going to go with the Hemi engine to go with the Hemi Challenger. Again, here's the little description down here of what's included, and we're going to add this to our cart. Okay, so now we have our Hemi engine added to our cart here. I'm going to go back and look for some other stuff. So we're going to go back to accessories. I'm going to look for something that goes on the side of the car now. So when you hit side, these are different side pipes. So we have lights that light up underneath. Different styles of side pipes. I like these King Chrome ones here, so I'm going to select these. All right, and those look cool. I'm going to add these to the cart as well. Okay, so now we have our side pipes added to the cart. All right, I'm going to continue shopping and go back and look for some accessories for the back of this car now. All right, so I'm going to go down to the spoiler accessories. I'm going to change the spoiler. These are different options here. I like the chrome one to match the other parts. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the cart. All right, and I'm going to continue shopping and go look for some mufflers for the back. So that would be in the rear accessories. Okay, and these are different options here. We've wheelie bar, different colors of muffler tips. I'm going to do the chrome muffler tips to match the rest of the parts. Okay, so now in our cart we have the car, we have premium rims, premium tires, and then we have all the accessories that we're going to add to this car. So there's one other thing I'm going to go look for, and that's batteries. So I'm going to continue shopping, go back to the main page with the categories, and I'm going to get some batteries for this car. So our free rolling cars come with 2 pre-installed batteries in the chassis, and those control the lights and the sounds. Our remote control cars will need 4 AA batteries for the street cars and 6 AA batteries for the monster remote control cars. And then the controller will need 1 9-volt. So we have a couple different battery options here. We can select batteries just for regular Energizer batteries to put in it. Again, the 9-volt for the controller, 4 AA's for the street car, and you would need 6 AA's for the monster car. So the AA batteries that go in the chassis of the car gets you approximately 30 to 45 minutes of continuous drive time. So we do have another option, and that's what we call power packs. Now these are rechargeable batteries, like I said, would replace the AA's. We have the regular street rechargeable battery here. We have the monster rechargeable battery. And then we have an older version for an older version of chassis car that we used to have. So if you're ordering a new car today, you're going to select this one, which is the street rechargeable battery. Again, check the description. It says right here is compatible with our current street RC chassis. Okay, so I'm going to add this rechargeable battery to the cart. All right, and then I'm just going to go back to find a 9-volt for in the controller. All right, so we're just going to go back to the main page again, go to batteries, and select the 9-volt. All right, and add that to our cart. Okay, so now we're done here. We have our car, we have all of our parts, and we have batteries added. There's a couple other things if you want. For your cars, there's decals. We have different options of decals you can put on the car. We also sell backpacks if you want a backpack to carry with. But for me, I'm going to keep it like this. Again, just check over everything I got. Everything looks good. And I'm going to go hit this checkout button. All right, and proceed with entering in your information, how you want it shipped, and hit place order. And you're done. You just built your ride.